This is the Crosman 760 Pump Master. I bought this to shoot at iguanas in South Florida. I had just posted my review and was looking at some other videos and saw that somehow either I missed this in the instructions or it wasn't included in the instructions, but I was commenting that there was no way to put BBs in the rifle, and it turns out there is. So if you go down to the little piece down here and push that forward, there's your opening for the BBs. So if I steered anybody wrong with my posts, I apologize.